Welcome to the channel, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a super energy dessert. If this is the first time visiting this channel, just let you know you're welcome. I'm happy to have you. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave positive comment. So to make this, I'm going to use some walnut. We're going to add some walnut in. And I'll be using some of this nuts also. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put it in the roller coat and just half blist it. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use some rolled oats and I'm going to blitz it a bit. Next, I'm going to use some chia seed and some pumpkin seed in. We have some mixed nuts here, include some pine nuts. And we have the good old flax seed in. So these nuts, I just want to blitz them a little bit with some more walnut. Next, we're going to add some more oats in. So we're going to add some liquid and we're going to use some honey in this. So if you think it need more, just add a little bit more to it. Let it get a little bit sticky. So these are ready. I have some leftover back. This I'm gonna put it in the oven. So the rest that left, I'm just gonna put some in these because I don't want to waste it. So these are ready. So ready for the next stage. And these one also. That's how they looked. So now I'm gonna melt some chocolate and finish it off. So here I have a bowl in the water. So I'm just gonna break up some chocolate to finish this off. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna take this. I'm just gonna dip it in. We'll let it drain a bit and we put them back here. So these are the finishing product. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of brittle over it, like so, just for decoration. Ladies and gentlemen, this video of any help to you guys, please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave positive comment. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. And over here we have the other ones. This is what they look like.